Hey everybody, good morning. Welcome back to channel. Today it is yesterday. I'm gonna be unboxing with you. So I went to Family Dollar yesterday. And guess what I brought? Yeah, I went to Walmart in Thomasville yesterday and Cairo, and then Tallahassee too. Let's begin. Let's get started. And this and Curious George Holiday 2-pack. It's a very monkey Christmas and play in the snow. Yep. Here's the front, this side, and the back. Here's special features: monkey snow job, monkey bubbles, and the DVD will feature printable color pages. He was not rated, and yep, it's on running time is, hold on, it's running time, 1 hour and 48 minutes. Now let's open it up. Here's my copy is an equal case. Here's this one. And disc 2. See? That's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like and subscribe. Bye.